Hello class, I'm Miss Priya, and welcome to your chemistry adventure. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of chemical reactions. First, a key rule. In chemical reactions, atoms aren't magically created or destroyed. They simply rearrange themselves to form new substances.
So the same atoms are just playing different roles, Miss Priya?
Exactly, Reena. The magic is all in how they recombine. Our first type is a combination reaction. Any ideas what that means?
Combination. Does it mean things combine together?
Precisely, Arjun. Two or more simpler substances team up to form one more complex product. Think of it like baking a cake from different ingredients. Let's see this in action. In activity 1.4, we'll mix calcium oxide or quicklime with water. Here's our virtual beaker. First, a bit of quicklime into the beaker.
Okay, I'm watching. What happens when the water goes in?
All right, here we go. Slowly adding water. Listen closely, you might even hear a hiss.
Wow, look at those bubbles. If we could touch the beaker, would it feel warm?
Indeed, the beaker would get quite hot. This means heat is released, and we call that an exothermic reaction. So calcium oxide and water combine to form calcium hydroxide, or slaked lime, and released heat.
So two things made one new thing, and it got hot. That's a combination reaction, right?
Perfect, Reena. A classic example of an exothermic combination reaction. Now for the opposite, decomposition reactions. Any guesses?
Decompose, like when old food breaks down. So one thing breaks into smaller bits?
You've got it, Arjun. One complex substance breaks down into two or more simpler ones, like taking apart a Lego model. For activity 1.5, let's heat some ferrous sulfate crystals. Notice their initial color.
They're a light green color, Miss Priya.
Correct. Now we gently heat the test tube. Watch for changes. Color, smells.
Whoa, it's changing color, turning reddish-brown. And is that a funny smell?
Yes, that distinct smell is like burning sulfur. The green crystals have decomposed. The heat broke down ferrous sulfate into solid reddish-brown ferric oxide, and those smelly gases, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide.
So one green thing broke into a brown solid and some gases. That's decomposition.
Excellent. And since heat caused it, it's a thermal decomposition. And that's our look at combination and decomposition reactions. Any final thoughts?
I get it. Combining is like building, decomposing is like taking things apart.
And we saw energy is involved, sometimes released, sometimes needed.
Fantastic summaries. There's always more to learn. Keep experimenting and stay curious, everyone.